Hello there guys, it's CoolFox over here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing and review of the Mugo Wireless Earphones. Starting off with the box, in front you have a picture of the earphones themselves. You have the IPX7 rating, which means that this is actually waterproof. On the back you have the same waterproof rating. It also says that it has a connection range of up to 30 feet, which is actually pretty good. You can also control the media playback from the earphones themselves, and it also says that these have a tangle resistant cable, which we will take a look at later. Inside the box you will find ear tips, a wire tie which is just to connect the wires, a carrying case, and also a short charging cable. The other size consists of nothing special, so we'll just go through to the unboxing. Opening the box you will find the Mugo carrying case. Underneath you will find the charging cable, the ear tips, and the manuals. You can also see that there was this cable included in my package, which makes me think that this was actually a return. This is probably someone else's cable which had actually bought these before me and then returned them, and then unfortunately got resold and resold to me. And obviously this is not a nice thing to find in your package, so knowing that this is a return is not really the most comforting thing. I tested out the cable, it doesn't even work. As you can see, it is actually broken as well. So whoever put this in here was either trying to do some kind of gag or just forgot it inside the box. Okay, so setting this stuff to the side, we'll first take a look at the manual. So first of all you'll get these two papers included. One of them looks like a scam picture that you will find on the internet, so I'm not sure why they took the opportunity to put this on inside the box, since I doubt that the 24/7 live support is actually real, but the manual itself is actually pretty good and pretty detailed. So in here you will find all the information needed on how to operate the earphones themselves, so I would suggest taking a quick look at this manual. Apart from that you have the ear tips. In total you have 2 pairs of ear tips inside of the plastic bag, which means that you have 4 in total, and this is the clip for the cable itself to hold it in place. Then taking a quick look at the cable, this is just a normal micro USB cable, so nothing really fancy here. And then taking a look at the earbuds themselves. They come inside this carrying case, which is actually pretty well made, and it will hold against drops for sure. And opening it up, as you can see, you will find the earbuds inside, and taking those out you will also see a small place here to fit in either the micro USB cable and the ear tips, or just something else that you might want. And then obviously the main thing are the earphones themselves. Now as you can see, these are actually pretty big, and I will show you how they look inside my ears. Here you've got one single button on the right ear tip. The other one is not a button, as you can see. And here you've got a small cable tie. And as you can see, the tangle-free cable type is obviously because this is a flat style cable, which do get tangled less often than the round styled cables. So taking a look at the left earbud, as you can see you've got the Mugo logo, a little logo design here, the silicone ear tip obviously, and the ear hook. There's also a little indication to show you which side this is off, and apart from that there is nothing on the ear tip itself. On the right ear tip, however, there is the Mugo logo, again a button to power it on and off, and on top you will find the skip track buttons. You will also find the ear tip obviously, the ear hook, and also the indication. Okay, so putting on the earbuds, as you can see, they fit in very nicely, but they do look quite big. As you can see, they are actually pretty long, so they will attract a bit of attention from passers-by. Now as I said before, the button is on the right side, so turning it on, it just said that it has powered on, and my phone has actually just connected since I paired it before. Okay, so something that I have just noticed is that there is a bit of hiss when you stop the music. Now this is very common on headphones and earphones that work through Bluetooth, so it's not only in this case. Something else that I just found out is that if the earphone is a bit loose like this, sound isolation will not be really good, so you need to keep it pressed against your face, and also the sound quality will be a lot better this way. If the earbud is a bit loose like this, you'll hear a lot more of the outside noise, and also the sound quality will suffer a lot. So keeping this against your face is a must for sound isolation and also for good sound quality. Now these earphones boast pretty good bass actually, and pretty good highs and mids. The bass in particular is very good, and the others are okay, just as an average pair of earphones are. And if you put on a loud volume, you'll not hear any distortion, which is actually pretty good and not that common on cheap earbuds. The play pause button works very well, and also the two buttons on the top here work as volume and also as skip track buttons. If you hold them down, the track will skip, and if you press them, the volume will increase or decrease according to what you press. So to charge these, all you need to do is open up the tab underneath the right earbud and plug in the micro USB cable. Obviously then you have to plug in the other end into a USB charger, and the earphones will charge right up. Now this tab has to be closed all the time if you're going to use these in wet conditions, since this gives the earbud the waterproof rating. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. This was CoolFox, and I'm out. Peace!